This is how to assemble, clean and operate the Bralyx machine.
How to dismantle the unit. Extruding head removal. While supporting the extruding head with one hand, loosen the screw handle on one side. Loosen the screw handle on the opposite side. Carefully remove the extruding head from the machine. Mold set disassembly. Loosen and remove the tray handles securing the upper disc, then lift the disc off. Release the molds from 2 pins and lift them from the mold plate. Conveyor disassembly. Loosen and remove the 4 handles securing the conveyor to the machine base. Push the conveyor slightly forward to release the pins. Remove the cover plate by loosening its handle. Detach the lateral guide by unscrewing the 4 handles. Cleaning instructions for the unit. Carefully remove any dough or food residues from all machine parts. Wipe the equipment's exterior surfaces with a damp cloth with neutral soap or food-safe sanitizer. Wash parts using neutral soap and heated water up to 50 Celsius. Rinse thoroughly with a clean, warm water. Do not use steel wood, abrasive sponges, or harsh cleaners on any part. Dry all parts completely before reassembling or allow them to air dry naturally. Dough set disassembly. Unlock the screw handle and lift up the dough hopper from the screw case. Remove the screw guide from the front of the machine. Detach the dough roller by sliding it out, ensuring the gears disengage. Lift out the screw case from the machine, disengaging from the structure pins. Remove the larger outer screws, grooves facing outwards. Remove the 2 smaller screws from the screw case. Conveyor assembly. Place the lateral guides and secure them with the 4 handles. Position the cover and fasten with its handle. Insert the conveyor into the machine base, connecting the sensor. Pull the conveyor to lock the pins into place, then tighten the 4 handles. Mold set assembly. Select the desired mold set and place it onto the mold plate. Ensure each mold locks into the place with the 2 pins. Verify they are fully secured. Position the upper disc with the cut facing the machine and fasten it with the 3 handles. Dough set assembly. Before installing, check the screw direction without placing them into the box. Place the screws on the bench, longer screws in the middle, shorter screws on the outside. Rotate the middle screws, they should move towards to you. If direction is incorrect, swap screw positions. Rotate the outer screws, they should move away from you. Insert the screws. Align the two smaller outer screws and place them into the screw case. Position the screw case into the machine, aligning holes with the structure pins. Ensure grooves match with the axis. Insert the larger screws with the grooves facing outward. Attach components. Align and secure the dough roller at the front of the machine, ensuring the gears mesh properly. Insert screw guide on front. Position the dough hopper on the screw case, aligning holes with the pins. Close the protection cover to connect the sensor. Lock in place and tighten the screw handle. Extruding head installation. Hold the extruding head with one hand. With the other hand, fasten one side using the screw handle. While still supporting the head, tighten the screw handle on the opposite side until secure. Machine operation. Main switch controls the main power connection. Emergency stop. Press to immediately stop the machine. To reset, pull the button back out. On/off starts or stops the machine operation. Forming molds. Adjust mold speed and cutting rate. Stopping time. Sets the duration molds remain open. Useful for larger products over 40 grams. Dough speed. Controls the dough flow speed. Dough propellant. Assists dough flow through the system. Conveyor speed. Controls conveyor belt movement speed.